Visualize styles. Highlight styles in Render. Go to Selection page from Program Setup. Change Highlight Style and Transparency to see different results. Invert selection. Show text only. Select by entity type text. Then select the invert selection to show text only. Invert selection. Show walls only. Select by entity type text. Then select the invert selection to show walls only. Invisible Style Engine. Click the Invert Selection tool to show selected and hide unselected. Invisible Style. Go to Selection page from Program Setup. Change the highlight style to invisible, then select any part. It will be invisible. Select the option Select by Material from Material Palette. It will only display that material. Thanks for watching.